It's your girl, We're Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell another friend, tell your mama and make partners in them, because we lady over here. Without further ado, y'all, thank you so much for being patient with me. Y'all know I had the back surgery and just school and everything. So I want to finally announce the giveaway winners. It was the What's in My Purse. There's two winners, two family members. So first we want to shout out Andrea the Virgo 40s. Shout out to Andrea. You are winner number one. Let me see if you can give me like a week or two to get stuff shipped off, because y'all know school about to start back up and poo-poo over here, and so yeah, if y'all give me about a week or two to send everything out, make sure you send me your mailing information to the email. It's going to be somewhere on the screen, so make sure you send me your name, your mailing information, and I just need 1 or 2 weeks. So shout out Andrea. And then the second winner of the What's in My Bag, we have Isis Diaz 801. Shout out Isis. Shout out to the family members. Y'all showed up and showed out. I want to say congratulations to both family members for being the winner of the What's in My Bag of the it's the dupe of the dumpling bag, the nylon dumpling bag, the mini one. So yeah, y'all. Once again, we don't have no sore losers over here. Yeah, I'm stumbling over my words. We don't got no sore losers over here, so y'all know I gotta make up for old time and new time. So just be looking out for the videos. I'm gonna be doing some giveaways, some nice things. So definitely be on the lookout for any future giveaways. Once again, y'all, thank you so much for y'all support, y'all hugs, kisses, loves, prayers. I appreciate every last one of y'all. I mean, y'all be rocking with me the long way, and I appreciate it. So once again, congratulations to both family members, and send me y'all info. And once again, thank you so much for the support, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.